Hey everybody, my name is Brian. I work for the Daly City Recreation Department, and today I'm going to be making an appetizer that you could make at home very easy with Brie cheese. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unwrap the Brie cheese. So Brie cheese always has a film on the outside. You don't want to remove this white coating, just remove the plastic. And then what I'm going to do is I have some phyllo dough here. I let it thaw out. So I'm going to place the block of Brie cheese right in the middle. And then I went ahead and sauteed some onions in paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. I just sauteed them in butter. So you're going to go ahead and place these on top. You could also add like dried fruit or nuts to it also, depending on the season, maybe during Thanksgiving or Christmas. This is a good appetizer to bring to parties. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the phyllo dough, wrap it up like a present. 1, 2. You could always cut off excess phyllo dough like I did over here. 3, and then obviously you have the extra corners, just go ahead and mash them together. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put that on the tray you're going to cook with parchment paper. Okay, after you're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and make a quick egg wash. The egg wash will just help the phyllo dough get crispy and brown up. So the egg wash is very simple. You need an egg, shell to the side, and then you're going to add a little bit of water. Once you're done with that, you're just going to mix it up. A brush, go ahead and get the egg wash on top of the phyllo dough. Get generous as you like with it. This is going to help make it look golden brown. Once you're done with that, the last thing you're going to do is I went ahead and got some salt, some pepper, and some onion powder. Coarse salt. You're going to go ahead and season. When I season, I like doing it up high so it spreads all over the appetizer. Okay, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to take this into the oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Don't keep opening the oven, just let it cook. And I'll go put this in the oven. This is the final product. So you can see right here I got crispy. And inside is the Brie cheese. I'll go ahead and cut it open, show you the inside of the middle. And there's your appetizer. Brie cheese, sauteed onions, and phyllo dough. Take care everybody, have a good day.
Hi, my name is Kristy and I work at Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making sangria. So here are the ingredients we need for sangria today. You need to be cutting the half of an orange, half of an apple, a whole lime, some mint leaves, and 3 strawberries. The other materials you'll be needing is a knife to cut them, a spoon, a cup, a jug, orange juice, Caprico sangria, any kind of Cabernet red wine, and triple sec syrup. So the first step is after you get your fruit, make sure you wash them first. And you wash your mints, and then you cut them up into slices, and now we're going to put them into the jar. So the next step is we're going to pour our sangria into a cup and mix it with all the fruits. And we're going to pour it into our little jar. The next step is we're going to pour the red wine in. It's about a cup as well. Next step is we're going to put our triple sec orange bottle syrup. Because the sangria is kind of bitter as it is, so then we're going to add a little bit of this to add more flavor into it so that it's a little bit sweeter. This is only half a cup. And then next up is 2 cups of orange juice. You can make sure you use no cold orange juice so that when you mix it in, there's no cold. we're gonna be mixing up all of the ingredients so that it's all mixed. And then you're gonna do a taste. If it's still bitter, then you are going to either add more orange juice or you're gonna add more of the syrup. It depends on how sweet you want it to be. Do not add more alcohol because it will be stronger alcohol smell than it will be on the fruity and sweeter side. So it's really up to you. And yeah, we're gonna taste it now. It's really good. This is what the final product looks like. Make sure after you're done mixing it, you put it in the fridge and let it sit for about 24 hours before you drink it. I hope you have fun with this project. Bye!